Today we're diving into something really cool, first-person controls. That's right, we're going to drop ourselves right into the game world and actually walk around, just like in classic 3D games. Let's start with the basics of the scene. We first set up a ground using a plane model, scaling it up so we've got plenty of space to explore. We add a simple white texture to make it look like a proper surface, and most importantly, we give it a collider. That collider makes sure the player doesn't just fall through the ground. It's what allows interaction between the player and the environment. Now, here's where the magic happens. Ursina comes with a built-in prefab called the FirstPersonController. By creating a player using this, we instantly get full first-person movement, walking, running, and even jumping. The controller sets up a camera at eye level, so the view feels natural, and it automatically handles physics like gravity and collisions with the ground. All of this happens with just one line of code. How awesome is that? You can move forward, backward, strafe side to side, and even jump around. The ground keeps you anchored, while the first-person controller makes navigation smooth and intuitive. In the next video, we'll expand on this and start adding more features to make the world interactive and fun. Keep experimenting, and I'll see you next time.